Okay guys, so let's start 6.8 question of exercise page number 189. The question is, what are ambidentate nucleophiles? Explain with an example. Now already we have discussed that ambidentate nucleophiles, ambi means having dual characters, just like amphibians, right? So we are discussing that nucleophile. Nucleophile, I will again explain it to you. Nucleophile means such species which has extra negative electron with them, and where they will get attracted to the positive part. So they are asking what are ambidentate nucleophiles. So you will write that are those nucleophiles having two different sites. It's just like a dual SIM mobile, right? You have a dual SIM mobile with you and SIM 1, SIM 2. But at a time, data or calling you can do from one SIM only. You cannot call to one person from both the SIM together, right? Either you will use SIM 1 or SIM 2. Same way, ambidextrous nucleophiles are such species having two different sites which can use to donate. For example, Cn minus. Okay, carbon can also donate, nitrogen can also donate means what? Electron. But at a time only one will donate. Okay, that's just like exactly like a dual SIM mobile in our phone. So if the answer they asked you what is ambident nucleophile as a definition, so you will say ambident nucleophiles are the nucleophile that have two different atoms or site through which they can donate an electron or attack an electrophile. Okay, next, what are the examples they have given? So first example I already gave you Cn minus. In this, if carbon donates, that time the word we use here is cyanide. Okay, alkyl cyanide or cyanide. That time whatever compound you will get, we call it as cyanide. And if here nitrogen donates, that time you will use the word isocyanide. So this is one of the very famous example. Now the another examples we have is nitrate ion NO2 minus. It can attack from nitrogen also, it can attack from oxygen also. Then SCN minus, it can attack from sulfur also, it can attack from nitrogen also. Got it? So these are the three examples. So ideal answer what you will write is this. 3 points you can include. Nucleophile which can attack through two different sites are called ambidentate nucleophile. Example, cyanide ion is a resonance hybrid. You can see carbon can also give, nitrogen can also give. So if it attacks from carbon, then we call it as cyanide. If it attacks from nitrogen, we call it isocyanide. Got it? Okay. This O is not there. This is isocyanide. Okay. So I hope you understood. Thank you.